If you want to save for retirement in Canada and lower your taxes at the same time, opening an RRSP is one of the smartest moves you can make. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up an RRSP in Wealthsimple step by step. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to sign up using your email and verify your identity. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once you are inside the app, look for the option that says Open or Move Account. Tap on that, then select Open a New Account. From here, choose RRSP, which stands for Registered Retirement Savings Plan. On the next screen, you will see some useful information about RRSP accounts. Take a moment to review this so you understand how the account works, then tap Get Started. Next, you will be asked to choose between two options. You will see you and your spouse. If you select you, this means you are opening an individual RRSP just for yourself. This is the most common option and is what most people will choose. If you select you and your spouse, this is called a spousal RRSP. This option is usually used for tax planning, where one partner contributes to the other partner's RRSP to help balance income in retirement. If you're not sure, the U option is the safer and more straightforward choice. After that, you will be asked how you would like to invest. You will see four options here. The first option is a registered savings account. This is the safest option. Your money earns interest, similar to a regular savings account, but the growth is tax deferred. This is good if you want very low risk, but the returns are usually lower. The second option is stocks, options, and ETFs. This is a self-directed account where you choose your own investments. This gives you the most control and the highest potential returns, but also comes with more risk if you do not know what you are doing. The third option is portfolios. These are pre-built and managed for you by Wealthsimple. They automatically invest your money based on your risk level. This is a good middle ground for beginners who want to invest but do not want to pick individual stocks. The fourth option is to work with an advisor. This gives you access to personalized financial advice. This option is usually better for people with larger portfolios or more complex financial situations. Choose the option that fits your goals and experience level. Once you make your selection, you will need to read through the agreements and confirm your details. After that, your RRSP will be created and ready to be funded. If you are not sure how to fund your account, check out my other video where I walk through it step by step. I will leave a link in the description below so you can follow along. One important thing to understand is how RRSP contributions work. When you contribute, you may be able to reduce your taxable income, which can lead to a tax refund depending on your situation. But keep in mind, withdrawals from an RRSP are taxed later on, so this account is best used for long-term retirement savings. Also, make sure you stay within your RRSP contribution limit. Going over your limit can result in penalties, so it is important to check your available room before contributing. And that is it. You now have a fully set up RRSP in Wealthsimple, and you are ready to go. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides.